Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new, then hi, my name is Payal and do join my family by subscribing to my channel and hitting that subscribe button. Now coming towards this video, in this video I'm reviewing a product from the brand Nyle and this one is their Volume Enhance shampoo. Now if you don't know me, then let me tell you that I'm a big freak whenever it comes to volumizing hair. Like the product which gives volume to your hair actually attracts me. They call me like Payal, buy me, buy me, buy me, and that's the reason of me opting for this one. This product was sent to me by the company, but my review will be honest. So without further ado, let's get started. Let me talk about the packaging first and then we'll head towards my experience. Now the product comes into a plastic bottle and it's a squeezy one, and since it's plastic that means it's travel friendly. Now it states that it contains natural extract, it's paraben free and it is pH balanced. Now one more thing which I like about this product is that it is cruelty free, which I'm in favor with. Now the price of this one is 95 rupees for 180 ml. Now talking about the product itself, it lathers well and the fragrance is just like any other shampoo from the brand Sunsilk, Dove. It is very natural, but at the same time just like any other shampoo which is available at the drugstore. Now what I like about this shampoo is that it has tiny glitters which excites me and motivates me to take hair shower again and again. Now I'll just head towards the experience of mine with this product, but before that I would like to state you that I am not a person who likes to use shampoo before conditioner. I like to do the reverse process. I opt for a conditioner first and then shampoo. It really gives you the volume, it enhances your hair volume. That is the only reason of me doing it. Now I like the product. The price what am I paying for it is serving the purpose. It gives me volume, at the same time it is very economical and it's cruelty free. What can I ask for? It's easily available, travel friendly, so many pros. Now let me just talk the pros very precisely so you should know why you should buy this product. First of all, it's travel friendly since it's a plastic bottle. Second, it's economical. Third, it's easily available at any chemist shop or grocery store. Fourth, the fragrance is mild. It really refreshes your hair. Fifth, it gives you the volume which actually it claims. Sixth and foremost, it's paraben as well as cruelty free. Now what can you ask for more just for 95 rupees? Would I recommend this product? Definitely yes. Out of 5, I'll give this product 5 because everything is so good about this product. That's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it's a very small review, but I really wanted to make it because I know it's worth every single penny. It's worth 95 rupees. It's worth giving it a shot. Let me tell you one thing, if the product wasn't sent to me, then probably I would have never purchased and tried because somewhere I felt that it must be okay kind of a product. But I'm glad and thank you Nyle for sending me this product and I'm really happy with the result. Let me know in the comment section below if you want me to review any particular shampoo, and if you have tried this shampoo then do share your experience in the comment section so that it may help other people as well. Do follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. All the links will be in the description box. At the last I'll say take care and stay pretty and stay volumized.